Good morning, my dear students. Okay, are you able to see my PPT? Last class we discussed principles of methodology. Today's period onwards, we are going to discuss next chapter, that is corrosion. Okay, so in corrosion, today's topic is introduction to corrosion and also factors influencing the rate of corrosion. Okay, so let us start our topic. See, second PPT, second slide I opened. Right, today we are going to completion. We know the process of corrosion, definition of corrosion, and also factors influencing the rate of corrosion. Right, on completion of this period, we are going to discuss these three major topics. So we know the process of corrosion and also definition of corrosion. Next, to factors influencing on rate of corrosion. Okay, so now introduction part. I would like to ask some questions. Already I have written here. What happens whenever an iron particle is exposed to atmosphere? Do you know? What is the answer? So it's rusting. Okay, rusting of iron occurs. Already you know. So why rusting of iron occurs? Do you know why the metal is going to rust? Why? Because due to the effect of atmospheric gases. Simply we can say due the effect of environment. Why the tarnishing of silver and gold ornament takes place? Already, you know, tarnishing of silver takes place and also tarnishing of gold ornaments also takes place. Why? Because what is the reason? Tarnishing of silver and gold ornament is also due to the effect of atmospheric gases. Okay, the gases which are present in atmosphere, those also affect to on surface of that silver and also gold. That is called tarnishing of silver or gold. This is also example of the this property. So we can say rusting of iron and tarnishing of silver and gold ornament is due to the effect of atmospheric gases. What does that mean? So iron going to rusting and also silver tarnishing, gold tarnishing. Why? Because these ornaments are these parts affected by atmospheric gases. So, rusting of iron and tarnishing of silver and gold ornament is due to the effect of atmospheric gases. So, this property of metals to undergo decay or destruction in atmosphere is called corrosion. Simply, you can say this property of metals to undergo decay or destruction in atmosphere is called corrosion. Or simply, we can say the slow and gradual disintegration of the metal by the action of environment is called corrosion. What is the definition? Very simple definition. The slow and gradual disintegration of metal by the action of environment is called corrosion. Okay, so this is the corrosion definition, right? So see next slide. Metals are widely used in the industries. So somewhat explanation regarding corrosion. What are the factors influence what are the effective factors here? Metals are widely used in the industries. Metals are widely used in the industries. Just wait. So metals are widely used in industries. Why? Why the need of study of the corrosion? That's why I'm saying. So metals are widely used in the industries. Corrosion results in loss of huge quantity of metals, hence it should be prevented. Okay, so metals are widely used in the industries and also corrosion results in loss of huge quantity of metals, hence it should be prevented. So that's why we should read the property of corrosion. It is essential for an engineer to know about the corrosion of metal and methods to prevent it. So, as an engineering student, these properties we should know, and also why the corrosion takes place, how the prevention. That's why we are going to discuss. Right? See here, I have given one image here. Right? So this car going to corrosion by the action of environment gases. Okay, so it is very slow process. See here, after so many years, it's converting like this, right? So can you tell why this brown color is appeared? Because of rusting. Why? Because of rusting. Okay. So see another important points. Metals are available in nature as ores. Already you know. Metals are available in nature as ores. Already we studied in metallurgy. Okay. So these metals are extracted from their ores by various process of metallurgy. These metals, that means the metals which are present in ores. So these metals from the ores are extracted from their ores by various process of metallurgy. Already we discussed concentration of ore and also specific methods used for the concentration of ore, hand picking, navigation, like the different methods we are using in metallurgy. The metals are considered as excited state or ores and ground state. Okay, metals are considered as excited state and ores are in ground state. So metals have tendency to revert to back to their original state. So metals, if we extract by using this metallurgy, that metallurgy revert back to their original state. Reverts back to original state. So therefore, destruction of metal starts at surface of metal by nature to form metallic. So therefore, destruction of metal starts at surface of metal by nature to form metallic compounds. Okay. So see here somewhat explanation regarding metallurgy and also corrosion. See here. So this is metal going to corrosion, it's converting metallic compound plus energy. This metallic compound in the process of metallurgy we are converting as a metal. Right? So metal is a high state of high energy. Metallic compound is a state of lower energy. So metallic compound converting into metal by the metallurgy reaction is reduction. Metal converting to corrosion in a metallic compound it is a oxidation. Okay, remember it is very important. Metal converting as a metallic compound by the action of environment that is called corrosion here reaction is oxidation. This metallic compound converting metal that is metallurgy, right? So metallurgy takes place by the reduction. Okay. Now corrosion. See here corrosion. What is the meaning of corrosion? Slow and gradual disintegration of metal due to atmospheric agents is called corrosion. Just now I have given the definition. Once again, see here slow and gradual disintegration of metal due to atmospheric agents is called corrosion. The most common example of corrosion is rusting of iron. Already you know. So examples of rusting of iron, examples of corrosion, rusting of iron, tarnishing of silver, okay, green layer formation on the copper due to the copper carbonate, tarnishing of silver due to the sulfide which is present in atmosphere, Next, rusting of iron, oxygen formation, oxygen reaction with iron. Some other examples are tarnishing of silver, developing of green coating on copper and bronze, etc. is examples of the corrosion. Right? So in this slide, we discuss corrosion definition and also example. So for understanding purpose, I am explaining once again slow and gradual disintegration of metal due to atmospheric agents is called corrosion. The most common example is the rusting of iron. Next, some other examples: tarnishing of silver, developing a green layer or green coating on copper or bronze, etc. These are examples for the corrosion. Right? See what are the effects of corrosion? Why the need of knowing of corrosion? Why? Because some plants shut down due to failure of this corrosion, that is production of corrosion. So if you fail uh, protect from the corrosion, that plant shut down. Next, loss of efficiency of metallic equipment due to the corrosion. Okay, economical loss, contamination or loss of product from corroded containers. So that means leakages due to the corrosion, and also corroded tubes pipes will spoil the food, water, which results in hell, right? In ill already you know. So some affected or rusted tubes pipes will spoil our food, water, which results in so unhealthy, right? So next thing, bridges may got collapsed due to the corrosion. So next boilers sometimes may get exploded due to corrosion. Boilers sometimes may get exploded due to corrosion. Okay, so these are the effects of corrosion. So this is the importance of corrosion. That's why we should know property of corrosion uh, to prevent the corrosion. Okay, so these are the effects of corrosion. Okay, so now very important factors influencing rate of corrosion. Right? Factors influencing the rate of corrosion. So which factors influencing on rate of corrosion? So in which situation corrosion increases or in which situation corrosion decreases? We should know. It is very important. Just okay. So where we are, factors influencing on, right? So one by one we are going to discuss. See here, factors influencing on rate of corrosion. In that first one, reactivity of metal. So we should discuss how the reactivity of metal influencing rate of corrosion. Next, position of the metal in electrochemical series. Position of the metal in electrochemical series. So okay, second one, position of the metal in electrochemical series. So we should discuss if the metal activity increases. So why the corrosion increases or decreases. So this is the second one. Next, third one, impure state of metal. Okay, so in pure metal or impure metal. So what is the corrosion? In pure metal, corrosion increases or decreases. Impure metal, corrosion increases or decreases. We should know. Next, humidity. So water vapors which are present in environment, that is also effect of the corrosion. Next, temperature. So if temperature increases or decreases, so maybe that is affects to corrosion. So that is also influencing on rate of corrosion. Next, other gases present in the air. So remaining gases, including oxygen also. These are affecting on rate of corrosion also. Next one, nature of corrosion products. So after formation of the oxide, so what are after formation of the compounds or other compounds depend on their nature. So corrosion also increases or decreases. We should know by one by one. Next to physical state of metal. So depend on grain size. We should discuss. Next to pH. Next to oxygen concentration. Right. So now we should discuss one by one. So first one, reactivity of metal. First one, reactivity of metal. See here, a more reactive metal undergoes the process of corrosion much readily than a less reactive metal. Right? It is very very important. Right? So if the metal is very active, that is undergoing corrosion very rapidly compared with low reactive metal or less reactive metal. So that's why the metal which is very active, that is acting as a anode, yet anode corrosion takes place. Already we know. The more reactive metal acting as anode, at anode oxidation takes place, or as oxidation means corrosion. So that's why. So if the reactivity of metal increases, corrosion also increases. So reactivity of metal increases, right? Corrosion also increases. Okay. So remember this one. Example: sodium, potassium, magnesium metals are more reactive and easily undergo corrosion. Right? So are you listening carefully? Right. So sodium, potassium, magnesium, these are very active metals. That's why they undergo corrosion very easily. Next thing, gold, silver, platinum, etc. are less reactive and the rate of corrosion is less for these metals. Compared with sodium, potassium, magnesium, gold, silver, platinum, these are less reactive. That's why they undergo corrosion very less. In even though in gold, silver, platinum, so the reactivity order is silver, gold, platinum. So compared with gold, platinum also very less reactive, right? So this is the reactivity of metal. So reactivity of metal increases, corrosion also increases. Right. This is reactivity of metal. So I forgot this one. Note down factors influence and rate of corrosion. All headings. Note down. After that, you can write next slide also. Right. Next to reactivity of metal. Note down these points. So reactivity of metal increases, corrosion also increases. I will give time for this one. Note down. Right. Next, very very important. Next point. Position of the metal in electrochemical series. Right. Position of the metal in electrochemical series. So a series of metals and non-metals are arranged in the increasing order of their standard reduction potential. SRP means standard reduction potential values is called electrochemical series. To know position of the metal in electrochemical series, first of all we know what is the meaning of electrochemical series. So definition of electrochemical series is a series of metals and non-metals arranged in the increasing order of their standard reduction potential values is called electrochemical series. Right? So the metals arranged in the increasing order of their standard reduction potentials. The reactivity of metals decreases from top to bottom of electrochemical series. Suppose if you arrange a series like this, okay. So above one, this is the top position, this is the bottom position. Okay, top to bottom. So reactivity, top to bottom reactivity decreases. So top to bottom reactivity decreases. So corrosion also decreases. So corrosion also decreases. So that's why here point is the reactivity of metals decreases from top to bottom of electrochemical series. So the rate of corrosion decreases in the same sequence. Right? This is the position of electrochemical series. Right? See here, SRP means standard reduction potential. Note down this point. Right. Next, presence of impurities. Okay. So see here, presence of impurities in metals enhance the rate of corrosion. Pure metals corrode to a lower extent. So presence of impurities increases, corrosion also increases. Right. So pure metals corrosion is very less, very lower extent. But suppose if iron is metal there, if other metals are as a impurities in that metal, corrosion takes place very. See here, and also other gases in the atmosphere, the presence of gases like H2S, SO2, HCl, etc., increase the rate of corrosion. If the gases, some poisonous gases or some active gases like H2S, SO2, HCl present in environment, is increases acidity. So acidity means H plus ions. If H plus ions increases, corrosion also increases. So other gases in weather in environment increases, corrosion levels also increases. So simply we can say if H2S, H2S and SO2, H2S and SO2 and also HCl increases, corrosion also increases. So that is presence of impurities. Note down presence of impurities increases, corrosion increases. Okay, next thing, humidity. Humidity means water vapors which are present in environment. See here, the corrosion of a metal becomes faster in humid atmosphere. Right? So simply we can say if humidity increases in atmosphere, corrosion also increases. Right. So humidity increases, corrosion also increases. So next to pH. The rate of corrosion is more in acidic pH than in alkali or neutral pH. So simply we can say uh, pH pH increases, pH increases, corrosion decreases. So low pH, that is acidic. So in acidic nature, corrosion increases. Already you know, already you know. So if pH decreases, H plus ions increases, so corrosion also increases. So this is pH. So next thing, temperature. Temperature. Just wait. Next to temperature. Sorry for that disturbance. Next to temperature. So see here, corrosion is a electrochemical process. As temperature increases, the rate of chemical reaction increases. Hence, the rate of corrosion increases with the temperature. So, temperature increases. Simply, I am writing here: if temperature increases, corrosion also increases. Don't forget, some people they thought that if temperature decreases, corrosion increases. That is not correct. Why? Because this corrosion is a electrochemical process. So, if temperature increases, electrochemical process also increases. That's why uh, chemical reaction increases, as the rate of corrosion also increases with the temperature. So, simply we can say temperature increases, corrosion increases. Right? First of all, humidity and pH. Note down these things. Right. Next, temperature increases, corrosion increases. Note down this point also. So you can say in summer season, corrosion is very high with the humidity is present. That's why boilers and also other materials which have at low high temperature, they undergo corrosion very rapidly. So this is temperature. Note down. So just now I said corrosion of boilers are takes place at high temperature. Next, nature of corrosion products. Okay, have you noted down this one? Okay. Next, nature of corrosion products. If the corrosion product is soluble in the corroding medium or liberated as gas, the rate of corrosion is also very high. Example, rusting of iron. Right? Rusting of iron, it is soluble and also enhance the rate of corrosion. That's why the corrosion product, it is soluble in the corroding medium, liberated as gas. The rate of corrosion also increases. So, nature of corrosion products, if soluble, solubility increases, corrosion also increases. So, if the corrosion product is insoluble or act as protective coating, the rate of corrosion is very less. Suppose aluminium, if you take aluminium metal, the layer formation takes place aluminum oxide. It is rigid to corrosion. That's why. So aluminum layer is decreasing corrosion. So that is nature of corrosion products. So note down that one. Next thing, physical state of metal. So remember this one, grain size, trace, orientation of crystals influence the rate of corrosion. So grain size is very less, corrosion also very high. Why? Because if grain size decreases, trace and also orientation of crystals influence the rate of corrosion. Simply I am writing here physical state of the metal. Simply we can write grain size, grain, grain size, grain size, right. So grain size decreases, corrosion also increases. So I have written here, the smaller the grain size of metal, greater will be its corrosion. So size of that metal grain size increases, corrosion also increases. So and also other thing, the traced area undergoes corrosion very easily. Example, bent pipe or U-shaped pipe, corrosion takes place very rapidly. So that is physical state of metal. So simply note down these points. I will give some time. That is physical state of metal. So just now I said threshold area acting as a anode. At anode corrosion takes place very rapidly. Already you know. That is physical state of metal. Next to oxygen concentration. Right? Next oxygen concentration. So already you know oxygen required for reduction and also galvanic cells formation are formed to different in the concentration of oxygen. So corrosion takes place at low oxygenated areas. Simply we can say if oxygen concentration is decreases, corrosion increases. So this is oxygen concentration, right? So these are the factors influencing on rate of corrosion. Up to now we discussed different factors influencing on rate of corrosion. Suppose once again I'm repeating position of the metal in the electrochemical series. The top metals in electrochemical series, they are very active. Active metal acting as a anode. At anode, corrosion takes place very rapidly. That's why sodium, potassium, magnesium, etc. metals going corrosion very rapidly compared with gold, platinum, silver, etc. Next, purity of the metal. So pure metal, they do not undergo corrosion or they undergo corrosion very less. Impure metal, impurities from small electrochemical cells formation takes place, they increase the rate of corrosion. Right? I have given example also. Zinc metal containing impurities like lead and other metals like iron undergoes corrosion very rapidly. Next other thing, impurities in the environment increases, corrosion also increases. Why? Because carbon dioxide, sulfur, H2S, hydrogen sulfide, sulfur dioxide, they increases in environment. They create H plus ion percentage in environment. So if H plus ion percentage increases in environment, corrosion also increases. Next, relative area of the anodic and cathodic part. So if the relative area of anodic part increases, cathodic part decreases, rate of corrosion also increases. Right? A small steel pipe fitted in a large copper frame undergoes corrosion very rapidly. Right. Next, solubility of the corrosion product increases. So corrosion also increases. Just now we discussed physical state of metal. Right. Grain size, small grain size increases. Corrosion also increases. Humidity of air increases. Corrosion increases. pH of medium decreases. Corrosion increases. Temperature increases. Corrosion increases. Next, oxygen concentration decreases. Corrosion increases. Okay. See here. Uh, I say all things just now what we have discussed just now. So see this one. Right. Here I write all effects in one page. And now we are understand very easily. See here, first one reactivity of metal. Reactivity of metal increases, corrosion also increases. Right? So position of the metal in electrochemical series. So top metals, they are undergo corrosion very rapidly. Bottom metals very less. Impure state of metal increases, corrosion also increases. Next, humidity. Humidity in environment increases, corrosion also increases. Temperature. Temperature also increases, corrosion also increases. Other gases present in the air also increases, corrosion also increases. Nature of corrosion products. Okay. So if solubility. So the corrosion product solubility increases, corrosion also increases. Physical state of metal. So simply I am writing grain size, GRAIN. Grain size, grain size increases, corrosion increases. pH decreases, corrosion increases. Oxygen concentration decreases, corrosion increases. So this is only one slide, but it is important, very very important to write all factors influencing on rate of corrosion. Right? See here, once again I'm repeating why, because these are very very important. So reactivity of metal increases, corrosion increases. Position of the metal in electrochemical series. Top metals undergo corrosion rapidly. Bottom metals very less corrosion. Imp- Impure state of metal increases, corrosion increases. Humidity increases, corrosion increases. Temperature increases, corrosion increases. Other gases present in the air increases, corrosion increases. Nature of corrosion products, solubility increases, corrosion also increases. Physical state of metal, that means grain size increases, corrosion increases. pH of metal decreases, pH of environment decreases, corrosion increases. Oxygen concentration decreases, corrosion increases. So these are the factors influencing on rate of corrosion. Note down this thing. It is very simple, very easy. Right. So already we discussed it. Reactivity of metal, position of metal in electrochemical series, presence of impurities, humidity and pH, temperature, nature of corrosion products, physical state of metal, oxygen concentration. Right? So up to now we have studied about introduction to corrosion, definition of corrosion, factors influencing the rate of corrosion. See this question. See this question. Try to answer. Right. See here, first question. The tarnishing of gold ring is called, what is that? Is it rusting, coagulation, or corrosion? Which is the correct answer? Corrosion is correct answer. Next, see this question. Try to give the answer. What is the question? Corrosion is a physical process, chemical process, biological process. Corrosion is not a physical process. It's not a biological process. It's a chemical process. Right? So corrosion is a chemical process. See this question, third question. Third question. Corrosion of a metal promoted by, see here, acidic environment, presence of impurities in metal, increase in temperature. So what is the answer? All the above. So see here, corrosion of metal promoted by acidic environment increases, corrosion also increases. Presence of impurities in metal increases, corrosion also increases. So increased temperature, corrosion also increases. So you can say all the above is correct answer. All the above is correct. Next to see fourth question. Which of the following metal undergoes corrosion easily? Which of the following metal undergoes corrosion easily? So see here. So reactivity order. Here iron, silver, iron, platinum. So in this, iron is highly reactive. After that, silver. After that, iron. After that, platinum. So simply we can say iron is most reactive metal. That's why undergo corrosion very rapidly. Right? Right. Next question. Fifth question. The rate of corrosion from top to bottom of metals in electrochemical series is, the rate of corrosion, suppose potassium, sodium, right? Next, zinc, iron, okay, hydrogen, uh, silver, gold, platinum. So, like some metals which are present in electrochemical series. So from top to bottom, reactivity of metal decreases. So corrosion also decreases. So which is the answer? From top to bottom, corrosion decreases. Right? So frequently asked questions. Define the corrosion. Explain the factors influencing the rate of corrosion. Right? So this is our topic. Right? So I show all PPTs once again. You can understand very well. Right? For understanding purpose, all PPTs I am showing once again. See here, this is introduction. Okay, this is the definition of corrosion. Examples with photos. So some properties of the corrosion metals. Why we should know regarding corrosion. Why the economical loss if the corrosion takes place of our country or state, like that. Next, it is a diagram. The relation between the corrosion and also metallurgy. Those are inversely proportional. That means, so metal undergo corrosion is forming metallic compound. Now metallic compound undergo metallurgy. That means reduction. It's converting metal. right? It is a cycle process. Next, corrosion definition. Some examples. So if the corrosion occurs, what's happening in things? What's happening? That is the point in this PPT, this slide. Next, to factors influencing on rate of corrosion. Up to now, we discussed more than 3 times. That's how we can remember very easily. In this slide, I have written directly. See here, reactivity of metal increases, corrosion increases. Position of the metal in electrochemical series increases, corrosion increases. Impure state of metal increases, corrosion increases. Humidity increases surrounding atmosphere, corrosion also increases. Temperature increases, corrosion increases. Other gases present in the air also increases, corrosion increases. Nature of corrosion products, if soluble in environment or that corroded environment, so corrosion also increases. Physical state of metal increases, corrosion also increases. pH decreases, corrosion increases. pH of the environment decreases, corrosion increases. Next, oxygen concentration decreases, corrosion increases. So right, these are the factors influencing on rate of corrosion. See here, one by one, I have written here reactivity of metal. Next slide, position of metal in electrochemical series. Next slide, presence of impurities. Next one, humidity and also pH. Next one, temperature. Okay, so temperature. Next one, nature of corrosion products. So physical state of metal, oxygen concentration. Right. So this is second lesson, corrosion. So up to now we discussed summary and also quiz questions. Up to now we discussed corrosion definition and also factors influencing on rate of corrosion. Next class we are going to discuss theory of the corrosion, that means electrochemical process theory explanation, and also prevention of corrosion by using several means, different methods. Right? So this is corrosion topic. Okay? So note down these points. If you anything forgot, we can note.